I've got to go with the old house. I've got to get the old, the Wi-Fi, not the Wi-Fi, the internet, the AIS broadband, thing router, because I need to set up Home Assistant again, and that thing's already set up to do it, so I've got to go back there, get that, and I've got to see if I can use it as a bridge onto the existing Wi-Fi, because we've got free Wi-Fi, which is what we connect to. Well, I don't like it because it's not secure. I don't trust a public sort of a Wi-Fi. So yes, I've got to go back there. I've also got to get some earthing cable of some kind, because I've now got the solar set up, and the missus can't plug things like the microwave with a metal casing. She can't plug that in because she keeps getting electric shock. Well, she can, as long as she wears rubber soles, and she fully understands the concept of electric shock and rubber soles and everything else. Quite. Git. She fully understands the concept of electric shock and wearing rubber soles and insulating herself. Because she said to me, I keep getting a shock off it, so I have to wear my rubber soles, and I'm thinking, well, I didn't tell you. I didn't explain things to you. So she must have known about it before. Yes, so anyway, I've got to go get the Wi-Fi, see if I can use it as a bridge. It should be alright. Probably not, knowing my luck. And also I've got to go to Mr. DIY to get some earth bonding. I don't know how I'm going to do it at the minute. I've got to drive a bloody stake into the ground somewhere. To be honest, where it's mounted, where the solar panels are mounted, and where the battery's mounted, and the inverter and everything else, there is actually it's the outside toilets. Now, the outside toilet's got a metal frame, so I might just check the potential between the house earthing and that frame. So I don't know. If you're thinking about getting into a relationship with a Thai woman, I warn you in advance, you have got a lot to learn. You don't think it's easy, because it's not. It becomes easier, but it will never be easy, because you will never understand the logic. It's so confusing. But I take the piss out of her, she takes the piss out of me, and we have a good laugh, you know. What's this? This is not Mr. DIY, this is Big C. Why has it sent me here? Oh, for fuck. If my missus says to me, can you take me such and such a place, and I can take her, I will take her. But if I say to her, no, I'm not in the mood, oh, forget it. You have to give as much as you can in order to get as much as you get. If you don't give, there is no get. Coach Mai? Right, I need to pull into Mr. DIY because I need to get a couple of things. I actually need to get a tax disc holder for the ADV, because that one's really, really discoloured. You know, I could live in this place. It's just aisles and aisles and aisles of stuff you'll never need. Where's the cable? I know they've got wires here somewhere, but I haven't got a clue where. I've been all down that side, I'm going down this side, and all I've got is just a puzzle for the missus. I can't take I need a brush, but I ain't got room on the bike. I should have brought the ADV, shouldn't I? You know, if I let myself go, I could spend a fortune in here. I need a machete. You can't buy machetes here. I'll have to go to the Sunday market. Actually, I could go to the Sunday market and buy a machete. Because I need a machete. Ooh, that seat's warm. Right, I've got to go that way. And now I've got to go to Home Pro because I need some. They don't sell cable in there. I'm sure the last time I went they got some earth bonding cable. So that's why I went. I also bought the missus a puzzle because she likes puzzles. She will be happy. You know, the little things in life, the little things that you get them, the little things that you do for them. They absolutely love it. In a Western relationship, they don't really appreciate the little things that you do for them. But I'll tell you now, in a Thai relationship, completely different. I need one of them. Is that an MSX? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. You see, he's going to pull in front. Look, 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 told you. They're all turning left. So you've got to be aware that people in the right hand lane are turning left. All these are turning left, look. You know. Woo! Oh dear. That was a bit. You've got to be ready for them. Oh no, there's nobody here. Where is everybody? Why is there nobody here? It's Sunday. There's usually a few people here at least. Right, gotta go. Sometimes in life, yes, you feel the right dickhead. And today's one of those days when I'm standing there, scratching my bloody head, trying to find these bonding rods. And I know they sell them, because it was online. So I showed the bloke a picture, and he just went, there. You see, the left-hand lane is for people pulling out. So nobody goes in it. Hang on, hang on, hang on. I've got an earth bonding rod here, I've got to be careful. Right, so we've got a car park here. I've got to be aware of dogs. There's probably dogs in here, as there usually is. I don't know what this place was. It's quite strange. Yeah, you have to be very, very careful with going around places like this because of the dogs. The dogs live in here. And it's a matter of time before one shows its ugly bloody face. I don't know what it was. Evidently it opened up and then it closed down because it wasn't making any bloody money. Right, anyway, so where are we going? I've got to do a U-turn. And when you do a U-turn, you have to open the bloody thing up. There you go. I've done a U-turn. Well, you see he's on the right hand side, he's turning left. Because that's the way it works. And then when you get to the corner, that's when you go into the left. And then people pull out in front of you like this, look. So you just let them go because it's courtesy. If that was in the UK, you'd have a face full of fist. The defamation laws over here are incredibly strict. But the thing is, I mean, people don't talk about this, but the thing is, you see, you don't need to defame anybody. You don't need. I have never ever had the need to say, oh, this person's shit or anything else like that. I've had no need to do it whatsoever. Because anybody who does anything wrong, if you speak to them nicely, they will put it right. They will do it until the job is done. But the people who just immediately say, oh, that person's shit. Well, you know, I'm sorry, but if you've got no patience then you deserve to get bloody prosecuted or whatever else, I don't know. Anyway, yes, I've got to go to the market if it's open. I need a machete. I've got things to do, and I can't find the machete seller. Oh well, I've got my earth bonding rod. I've got a puzzle to keep the missus happy. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end this one because it's over and there's no point continuing. And I will catch you next time. And I'd like you to remember that life is definitely worth living on this measly earth. All you got to do is get out there, do what makes you happy, do what makes you smile, and bollocks to what anybody else thinks.